Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting new tool that's going to change the way you work forever. Meet Triplo AI, the AI assistant that's designed to boost your productivity whether you're at your desk or on the go. Say goodbye to those never-ending to-do lists and hello to a smarter, more efficient way to work. So what exactly is Triplo AI? It's an AI assistant that's accessible on desktop and mobile devices, including Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, and Linux. That means you can get AI-generated insights, answers, and even content generation, no matter where you are. One of the coolest features is the ability to interact with your AI assistant using text-to-speech and speech-to-text functionality. So whether you're typing away or talking to your device, Triplo AI is ready to assist you. With Triplo AI's native apps, you can access your assistant on all popular platforms. Plus, you can create custom prompts to handle repetitive tasks like replying to emails or commenting on posts. The increased token limits mean you can run longer, more complex prompts to supercharge your productivity. And it gets even better. With Triplo AI's training feature, you can train the AI memory with custom knowledge bases. This enhances the accuracy and quality of the responses you get. Imagine capturing content from your screen, URLs, or even scraping pages and YouTube videos to turn your AI into a subject matter expert. Triplo AI also integrates seamlessly with your favorite apps. You can connect Triplo AI with hundreds of apps via Zapier, Pabbly, and other automation tools. And if you have custom apps, you can use the API and webhooks functionality to build custom data workflows for seamless content generation. With Triplo AI, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. From generating insights and answers to creating content, Triplo AI is here to help you cruise through your workday. So, what are you waiting for? Get lifetime access to Triplo AI today and transform the way you work. Click the link in the description below to get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips and tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.